Customized products, especially during the Christmas season, are absolutely booming right now. Everyone wants something personal, a gift that feels made just for them. And recently, I came across this hidden gem of a print-on-demand platform that not many sellers even know about. It's called Inkedjoy. They offer a full section dedicated to customized Christmas gifts, from cozy hoodies and blankets to personalized custom window hanging sun catcher.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And the good thing is that they do all the hard work for you, even the customization, and all at super competitive prices. What really impressed me is how easy their system is to use. You can edit your designs, publish products, and connect them directly to your Etsy or WooCommerce or Shopify store with just a few clicks. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this newly discovered platform step by step and how you can take advantage of the holiday season to skyrocket your Christmas sales. So let's jump in. Let's go to Inkedjoy dashboard and sign up using our email. And as you can see, the platform has many products that you can use to sell as customized print-on-demand products. Inkedjoy works like any other print-on-demand platform. You just need to choose a product out of more than 1,500 products, design on the platform or upload your design to the product and add it to the product, connect Inkedjoy to your store and import products, and then once you get an order, Inkedjoy fulfills the order. Also, Inkedjoy can be easily integrated with Etsy, WooCommerce, and Shopify stores. They even have a branding section where you can pay a subscription fee, annual subscription fee of $19, and have your own custom labels, hang tags, and packing bag, which is great if you are targeting to brand your store with your packaging or label for every item you sell. They have products for women, men, shoes and socks, bags, and many more. And they have a dedicated personalized gifts section between apparel, ornaments, and many other products that you can use to publish on your store and get advantage of the Christmas period. And some of these products that I really like are the custom window hanging sun catcher. The personalized custom window hanging sun catcher is a great product to sell during the Christmas, especially if you're targeting the pet niche. You just need to upload the pet image, add the pet name, and Inkedjoy is going to do the rest for you. They even come in different sizes. They have 4 sizes of this product. So if we add a name like Fluffy, for example, it's going to be shown on the mockup, and then you can upload your image. And they even say that you don't have to upload a photo with a plain background. Just add any photo of your pet and they're going to modify the position of the image for you and remove the background if needed, as you can see on the note below the product image. And then you just need to publish it to your store. So just to test it out, let's go to Etsy and see how this is selling. Inkedjoy is selling it for $8.62 and a shipping cost of $6.33. And if we go to Etsy and search for custom window hanging sun catcher, we can see that there are many results with more than 1,000 reviews. Let's take this for example. This is a similar product that is selling for $26.18 with over 1,000 reviews, and it is being dispatched from Vietnam. So with some simple calculations, you can sell this exact product on your store with $20 and still make a profit of around $7 to $8. And later on, I'm going to show you how you can publish this product or any other product on Inkedjoy directly to your store, whether it is on Etsy, WooCommerce, or on Shopify. So let's go, for example, to the men clothing and press on the t-shirt tab to see what kinds of t-shirts they're selling. So there are many t-shirt styles and prices. So the prices are very competitive. They start from $4.93, which is very competitive price after adding your price margin. They even sell football suit set kits, which is very unique, that you can customize and sell on your store if needed. And I usually prefer to sell products that nobody else is selling. So this football suit, for example, is perfect for that. So let's go back to our home screen and press on my dashboard, and this will take us to the interface of Inkedjoy. And on the left side, you get to see the main tabs. And on the main menu, you have some steps that you need to complete to have your store published. We still need to connect our store, set the pricing rules, the currency, the profile, and the products. And we're going to do this step by step within this video. Then there is a customer support section and the order status, where you get to see the pending payments, the processing orders, and the shipped orders, and then some of the new products and some shortcut functions. This is all within in your dashboard. And on the left side, you see the templates that you create, the products, the orders, and the account setting. So currently we don't have any template. So let's search for a t-shirt, for example. Again, there's no t-shirt template available. We just need to go first to the product catalog and create a template first so that it can be saved on our template. So let's go to the product catalog. And as I have said earlier, there are many products that you can navigate through Inkedjoy platform. I'm going to go to the t-shirts and under men, and I'm going to design a template using the new 150 men's short sleeve t-shirt. This is selling for $4.93 before shipping, and this is a very competitive price, and it is offered in many colors and different sizes. So if we press on the design tab, we get to see the design or the create a product menu, and as you can see, this product comes in different colors. So I'm going to choose the sand color and press on confirm. I'm going to create a design on this sand color, and on the right side you can see the mockups. So on the right side you can see the mockups available for this product, and if you press on the add image or select from an album, this will take you to the dashboard where you can choose between the default design library, and there are many default patterns on the platform, and there are other designs as well under the different tabs like the art tab, the plants, the animal, the natural scenery. So all these designs are default designs, but you can upload your own design as well. So I'm going to upload this summer vibes design. So simply press on the upload button, choose a design, and it will be uploaded automatically to the dashboard. And you can see the printing quality is good. Make sure that the printing quality is accepted. Once you upload your design, you can adjust it to fit the placement area, add it to the front or to the back. You can also use the menu above to adjust, rotate, or flip your design, or use the menu on the left to add text or fill some colors on the design. So it's like an online editing platform that you can also use to create designs using the built-in design library of Inkedjoy. And on the right side, you get to see the design on the mockups. There are different mockup images that you can use. So I like how the design looks like. So once you are okay with the design, you can then press on the save to template button to save the design and the template to your dashboard. And let's go to the templates tab, and here is the design saved. And if we open it, we can then press on the design and sell for the business, bulk design, or design and order for yourself if you would like to order a self sample. So let's go back to the design and sell for your business, and this time I'm going to press on next instead of save to my templates, and then press on the design is completed and go to set the price. And here we get to see the price and details of the pricing of for this product, for each variant, for each size. And this is the cost, this is the shipping cost, and this is the selling price that you are going to sell on your store. And the difference is the profit. For of course, you can also increase the retail price to maximize your profit, or increase your profit if needed, or make it less. And you can change the shipping company. But of course, once you do that, you have to adjust make sure that the shipping cost is adjusted. And you can also use this tab to increase the price by a certain amount on all the sizes. So I add 2, and this will add $2 increase to all the retail prices of all the sizes of this product. And here we get to see the mockups. I like this mockup a lot. And once you are satisfied with the final pricing, you can save it, or you can push it to your store. But we have not connected any store yet, so I'm going to save the product as is. And now we can see that the product is saved in under my products tab. So, and if we press on the branding project, we get to see the branding options. Like I said before, you can just pay for a branding annual subscription and customize the labels and the packaging for your brand. And going back to the dashboard, we see that the create your first product is now checked. So let's press on the set up your profile, and this will take us to the profile tab. We can add our password, our billing address, and adjust the pricing rules. Currently, as we speak, the pricing rules is adjusted to be 2 times the product cost. So your retail price or the price that you're going to sell with is 2 times the product cost, you can change it and make it 3 times, for example, or you can use the advanced pricing rules to edit the markup and your retail price. But let's keep it for 3 times the product cost for now. And let's go back to the dashboard. And now we see that the set up your profile is checked and the set up your pricing rules is checked. Now let's go to the set up your currency. We need to make sure that the currency is a USD and confirm. And now also the currency is checked. Now we just need to connect our store and import products to our store. And this would be the final step. For this video, I'm going to connect my store, Sketch Studio. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to understand how to create a similar store. Just press on connect your store and choose e-commerce or Etsy or Shopify. In my case, I'm going to choose e-commerce, and this will take me to the instructions of connecting my store to Inkedjoy. I just need to install the Inkedjoy print on demand plugin from inside my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to go to plugins, add a plugin, and search for Inkedjoy plugin or Inkedjoy POD and press on install and then activate. And here I get to see, once it is activated, I get to see a tab on the left side that says Inkedjoy. So just press on it and press on the connect to Inkedjoy. Just press on the connect to Inkedjoy and enter your email that you use to create your store with and press next, and also the password that you use to create your store with, and press on connect now and follow the next page and press on approve, and this will automatically connect your store with your WooCommerce platform or store. It's as simple as that. Now it says that your store has been successfully connected, and if we go back to our Inkedjoy platform and refresh the page, we can see now that our studiosketch.com is connected. The only thing is left is to import our product to the store. So let's go to my products and press on the publish to store button, and this will automatically publish the product to our connected store. So within a couple of minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, your product with the mockups and all the details will be automatically published to your store. And this is how simple it is to connect any product from Inkedjoy to your Etsy, WooCommerce, and Shopify store. And they even have a made in the USA dedicated section with free shipping. So you can choose any of these made in the US products and sell it for free shipping if you're targeting US. And this is the product cost, including the shipping. So you can use any of these dedicated made in the US products to sell with a free shipping advantage. Now, if we go to our WooCommerce store and press on all products, we can see that the product is now published. This is the new 150-gram men's short sleeve t-shirt. It's now available under the products section on my WooCommerce, and if we press on the view product, we see that the product is published on the store with all the details, all the sizes, and the price range, in addition to the mock-up images automatically integrated and published to the store, even with the description and the variations. And that's it. As you can see, Inkedjoy makes it super easy to design, publish, and sell your own custom products, especially with the Christmas season around the corner. I've already added the direct link down in the description. You can sign up completely free and even get a new user discount to start testing your own designs right away. So if you have been thinking about launching your holiday merch or adding something fresh to your store, now is the perfect time to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow creators. And let me know in the comments what kind of Christmas products you plan to design next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.